welcome back to Smart English Talk, the best place to learn real English for your daily life. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. We're so happy you're here to study with us today.
Jack, before we start today's lesson, we have to do our important reminder.
That's right. If you find our lessons helpful, please take a moment to like this podcast, share it with a friend, and subscribe so you never miss a new episode of Smart English Talk. Your support really helps us grow.
Thank you. Today we are focusing on daily life English. We're going to learn simple, useful sentences you can use every morning and when you go shopping.
This lesson is perfect for beginners. We'll speak slowly and clearly. Are you ready? Let's start with a simple morning routine. Okay, Emma, let's pretend we are roommates, getting ready for the day.
Sounds good. Our listeners can repeat these phrases after us.
Good morning, Emma. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Jack. Yes, I slept very well, thank you. How about you?
I slept well too. It's 7 a.m. Time to get up.
What are you doing first?
I'm going to make coffee. Do you want a cup?
Oh, yes, please. That's very kind of you.
No problem. After coffee, I need to take a shower.
I will eat breakfast. I'm having toast and an apple.
That sounds healthy. What time do you leave for work today?
I leave at 8:30 a.m. What about you?
I leave at 8 a.m. I need to brush my teeth now. See you later.
Bye, Jack.
Wonderful.
Have a good
That
day.
was
at
a
work.
simple, normal morning chat. Let's repeat the most important phrases. Jack, you say the phrase first, and listeners, repeat it loudly.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well.
I'm going to make coffee.
Do you want a cup?
What time do you leave for work?
Have a good day.
Notice how we used good morning, yes please, and thank you. Being polite is very important in English conversation.
Exactly. Use good morning until noon and good afternoon.
Let's move our conversation to the supermarket. This is a great place to practice English.
We will practice two roles, the customer and the shop assistant. Listen carefully for how to ask for things and how to pay.
Excuse me, I need some help.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Where can I find the milk?
The milk is in aisle 5, near the back wall. It's next to the eggs.
Thank you. And do you have any fresh bread?
Yes, the bakery section is on your left, over there.
Great. Okay, I have everything. How much is this apple?
That apple is 50 cents.
I see. I'll take 3 apples, 1 carton of milk, and 2 loaves of bread.
All right, that will be $10.50.
Do you accept credit card?
Yes, we do. Please insert your card here.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You
our
too.
shopping dialogue.
Here's your receipt.
A little longer, but full of useful phrases.
The first one is the best way to start. Excuse me, I need some help. Use this anytime you need attention. Let's say it together.
Excuse me, I need some help. To ask where something is, we use where can I find?
Where can I find the milk?
The assistant answers with location words. It's next to or it's in aisle.
When you are ready to pay, you might ask, "Do you accept credit card?"
And the shop assistant always tells you the price. That will be $10.50.
We're halfway through our lesson. Remember, if you are enjoying this, please hit that like button and tell a friend about Smart English Talk.
Let's talk about a simple grammar tip that helps with daily English. Using I am going to.
This is how we talk about our immediate future plans. It's perfect for the morning routine.
Instead of saying just I eat breakfast, you can say I am going to eat breakfast. It sounds more natural.
Let's try some examples. Listen and try to say the full sentence. The simple action is shower.
The simple action is shower.
The full sentence is I am going to take a shower.
The simple action is drink water.
The full sentence is I am going to drink water.
The simple action is buy bread.
The full sentence is I am going to
back
buy
to
bread.
shopping and practice simple question words.
We used where, but let's try how much and what kind. When you ask about price, you use how much. How much is this bread? When you want to know about the type of something, you use what kind. What kind of juice do you have? Let's try a quick dialogue using what kind.
Excuse me, do you sell rice?
Yes, we do. What kind of rice are you looking for?
I need a small bag of white rice.
Okay, the white rice is in aisle 3.
Thank you.
Simple and clear. This is how real daily
Covered a
conversations
lot
work.
today. We talked about morning routines and shopping.
The most important thing is to be polite. Don't forget, good morning, good afternoon. Yes, please. No, thank you. Excuse me. Have a good day.
Now, for our final Smart English Talk challenge. Your homework is to write down 3 sentences about your own morning routine using I am going to.
For example, I am going to make tea. I am going to read a book. I am going to learn English.
You can write them down, or even better, say them out loud to yourself 3 times today. Practice makes perfect.
That brings us to the end of another great episode of Smart English Talk. We hope this lesson was helpful for your daily conversations.
Before we go, please remember, if you liked learning with us today, hit the like button.
Share this episode with someone who is also learning English.
And most importantly, subscribe to Smart English Talk so you can join us next time for more easy, practical English lessons.
Thank you so much for listening and practicing with us. We'll talk to you next time. Bye, Jack.
Bye, Emma. Have a wonderful day.